Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to Show and Tell, I believe, 191. So, I don't have a whole lot in my basket of goodies. I do have stuff to show you, but I don't have a whole lot to show you. We found out Friday we're going to be moving. Troy spent Saturday in denial, Sunday in acceptance, and Monday through today, I've been trying to buy a spot to get this house listed. So, I'm going just a little bit cross-eyed. We're hoping to be listed in the next 10 days, which means I got a lot of stuff to pack and hide. The realtors, we have two choices of realtors. They're both going to come out, one tomorrow and one on Saturday, to do a preliminary walkthrough and kind of get an idea of what we're looking at. And then from there, hopefully we'll pick a realtor and then get the house listed. But I've got to get this house ready to have pictures taken of it. So obviously it's going to be a lot of work. So Vlogmas in July has obviously dramatically changed. We will not be doing Christmas content for Vlogmas in July. We will just be doing kind of more of a Veda kind of deal. I don't even know that I'm going to be able to necessarily pack Christmas projects for the transition. So, or leave the, it's not packing them, it's leaving them out. So this is going to be very interesting. This is going to be probably really exhausting. Hopefully we can get this house on market and sold quickly. It won't sit on the market for a long time. And we can transition back to Columbia as quickly as possible. So we are moving back to Columbia, South Carolina. And, you know, it's great because that's where my godson is. That's where our grandkids are. That's where, you know, the stepkids are. So it'll be really nice to get back to Columbia with family and stuff. But at the same time, you know, I wanted 5 years here. I got 4. So surprise. And, you know, I'm just sitting here, yeah, overwhelmed, bowled over, confused, turned upside down. So Saturday, I will not have my quarterly updates. That will have to wait till Tuesday. I've got too many things to do today and tomorrow to be able to film. I don't think I'll be able to film, even if I try to do like a scrubby, no makeup kind of thing. I just don't think I'm gonna have time for that. So, I will hopefully get something together by Tuesday to share where I am on my goals and do a quarter update with you guys. Then Thursday, I will probably have an unboxing video. I think everything from ALC and Yarnable will be here then. And then by Saturday, we may or may not have the Arkansas Yarn Company box here. So that's all I can do. I mean, I'm a little overwhelmed. I'm not gonna lie. So anyway, I do have some things to share with you guys. And trying to get things ready, I did need to go ahead and get those journals done, thankfully. So Sunday, I spent the day finishing off my prayer journals. These two I just kept simple since we already had phrasing on the front. They got little thingy-doos on the back. I already started using one because I already filled up the first journal, literally cover to cover. Every single page opening has some sort of washi or something. I just quickly did washi. I will say that goal is looking fantastic for the year because I got another 14 rolls of it in my empties bin over here. I probably won't hit my card goals now though. So anyway, very, very simple. Once again, just it's a covered. It's my Ascension Press reading list. I'm using these for the Catechism in a Year and Bible in a Year with Father Mike Schmitz from Ascension Press. So if you're not listening to that podcast, if you want to read the Bible in a year, go check it out. But yeah, so these are just basic covered composition books. I follow the May Made It tutorial. So go check out her channel. She has a whole playlist dedicated to covered composition books. So that's all I do. I just rewatch the tutorial, or I didn't need to rewatch it to figure out how to put paper on the front and back. I do highly recommend, though, a heavy-duty double-sided dry adhesive to do the covers, not wet glue, just because you can take the adhesive all the way to the edge and don't have to worry about any splurting out or anything. So anyway, 2 journals done. That gives me 4 for the year. I got 2 more squares done, corner to corner, 10 rows. These are using worsted weight acrylic scraps, size I crochet hook. But those 2 fit immediately into this blanket, which will leave me 1 block short to finishing it. I have the block that will go here, and then I'll need 3 for the last row, and that gives me 2 for the last row. Oops, well, I'm kind of, yeah. I'll hold it this way so you can see. Bah, 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 bah. I did kind of join them janky jaunty as I was going, just because I was trying to make it easy to hold in my lap, but you like stair steps down. But yeah, I've got this one will go in here. Those 2 will be the next 2 to go in on that last row. So I'll just be 1 row, 1 block short. And then this blanket will be done. I will hopefully get some things thin out to, like, I'm gonna have to email Rose and tell her I'm sorry I'm sending stuff off schedule, but we're moving. And I need to get it out of my closet. And I might see if I can drop some stuff off at our old church while we're in Columbia, which will be going back to have the blankets and shawls not in the way as we're transitioning out. So that really is all I have worked on. I did block my 12 days of Shawlmas shawl. It looks really nice. So we'll do some more talking about this when I get month 2 of the Arkansas Yarn Company Sock Yarn Society box. I was just not prepared for this. I'm very overwhelmed. I was trying to get ready to film, and literally my phone's been blowing up since the beginning. So I'm trying to I'm trying to make the closets to where we can hide stuff we can't pack in the closets. But like tomorrow morning, the moving company walkthrough happens. Then we have the first realtor coming tomorrow evening. Saturday morning, we have the second realtor coming. It's just going to be very busy, very active. So we'll see what happens. I will keep you guys updated. Like I said, I still plan on trying to do some form of Veda, but it's not going to be Vlogmas in July. It's going to be just Veda kind of stuff. And I'm only going to maintain that because that's what I had planned for videos in July. We would do like the unboxings and stuff and the quarterly update for June. But after that, I kind of planned July to be easy peasy. We're going to do this Vlogmas style, and I'll do Christmas projects and everything else. And now it's going to be more transition videos. And I guess we're going to cover more cooking random meals out of your freezer, because we've got to go through all of our freezer food now. Yeah. How to pack projects to keep yourself entertained in temporary housing, because I have a feeling that we're going to end up with some temporary housing. It's just a lot, you guys. I'm going to be honest. It's just been a lot. So anyway, when I take 5 minutes to rest, I'll get those 3 blocks put into the blanket, and then I'm going to have to like tuck it away and put it back in its bag. Then maybe I can just go ahead and whip out another block and stick it in there. That way the blanket's done. I'll border this in white. This is just Red Heart Super Saver in blue. So I'll do an outer border in white, and that'll be done, because I don't have enough This is all I have left of blue, and I don't have enough to do another row, and I don't have any more blue. I have lots of navies on my wall, but I don't have any more of just blue. So I'll do a row of white or something around it. I've got plenty of white and off-white on the wall still. And we'll move on to the next blanket at that point, I guess. And just... I got to start packing up like the 900 projects I just showed you stacked up on the love seat. That's on the list of things to do today. And once again, I mean, it's a lot. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. If you're the praying type, say a little prayer for my sanity, because it's going to be running short by the end of July, I think. Cross our fingers that we can do this transition easily, and it'll be an easier process than it was when we moved up here, because I just about died trying to move up here. So I'm pretty sure my brain is only just now starting to recover from that process. So anyway, I love you guys. I will see you real soon. Please take care. Bye, guys.